All right, this is the Bella 4-quart slim air fryer. I just wanted to show you this sitting on a kitchen counter in front of a microwave so you can get an idea of the size of this, and I'll get some measurements too. 11 inches, 7.5 inches wide, and 11 inches tall. This handle sticks out about 2.5 inches. When you get this, it comes packaged basically just like this. The tray is separate. So the tray is 9 by 6. This comes separate, and there's 4 little rubber feet on the bottom. This thing just sits inside of here like that. It has about a 30-inch cable on it. I'm going to try to cook a steak right here. This is a normal size steak container that you normally get at the store. I want to see if I can get this thing to fit in here because it didn't look like it would. It does, actually, so that's good. So I'm going to try and broil this guy, and then we'll see how it turns out. This is my first time using this. So you have a power button to turn it on. We have air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat. How about that? You have temperature settings over here. Somebody uses the broil setting, and off she goes. I'll check back in. I guess it automatically broils at 400. I want to point out too, if you're cooking and you pull the pan open to check it, like now, and you plug it back in, it starts back up right where it left off, so it doesn't shut down. It just resumes where you left it off. If you want, you can press the time temperature button and add minutes or subtract minutes while it's cooking. That's a good feature. I like that. It beeps 3 times to let you know that it's complete, and the whole thing turns itself off. This is 7 minutes with a London broil. There's the cook side, and you can see the other side. The handles totally feels good, but the pan itself is going to be hot, so if you're going to set it down on something, be aware of that. Another thing I want to point out too is that it vents out of the back right here. So it's blowing hot air out of there as you're using it, just so you're aware of it. So there's a London broil after about 7 minutes on each side. It totally cooked the ends of it, which I was surprised because they were almost touching the outer side of the container there. So I think it did a great job. Since I have the tray in there, now let's get some mushrooms going. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with the thing. I do want to point out, this is a kitchenette sink right here, a small sink. If you have a normal size kitchen sink, you're probably good. I have a kitchenette sink, so this isn't going to fit in there so well. That's okay, I can deal with that. And so you really have to clean 2 things, the tray and the inside of the container here. Not bad. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with this thing. Cooked my steak great. There you go, the Bella 4-quart slim air fryer. I like it.